Good morning, little monkey wrenches. It's a beautiful day here in green country. Yeah, there's snow. My little BMW is smiling, which means he's ready to get fixed.
Lifting our engine mounts to Jesus, because you lift me up.
Hey, before we start working on this car, I do want to give a big shout out to Vito's Garage of Mercedes and BMW. This guy contacted me and said he needs a little bit of help with his channel. So just like Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds helped me with my channel, I'm going to help Vito with his garage. Check out his little promo video. It's pretty cool. Okay, so that is Vito's Garage. He is an active member of the military. He is in the U.S. Navy. He's deployed right now. So thank him for his service by subscribing to his channel. This guy knows a lot of stuff about Mercedes and BMW. So please subscribe to his channel and watch his videos as a nice little tribute for what he's doing for all of us here in the good old U.S. of A. Now let's get back to the bummer Bimmer. Okay, if you've been following along, you know that this little hellion is slowly coming back to life. Remember how much trouble she gave us for so very long? Yeah, but she starts, she drives kind of, but she needs some new shoes. Yeah, we got to change these things. These are horrible. And that one rubs on the strut tower, so I got to figure out what's wrong with that. And she needs some new eyelashes, maybe a facelift. So I do want to show you what I happened to find on the Facebook Marketplace. Let me show you. It's a great day to work on the car in my public parking lot. Look at this. We have tires, okay? This one is for a different car. That's the old Beverly Hillbilly tire. And we have another tire there. I got a little thing of oil. And we have some beautiful headlights. Yeah, I found these on Marketplace. This guy, super nice guy, spoke very little English, and so I was making up, Spanish words like muy problemo and all of that. So it went over kind of well. He's a super nice guy, so we got some good tires. They don't really match, but I don't really care because they're going to roll and they're going to look better for this. And the tires you can replace. The wheels, yeah, that kind of gets expensive too. Hi, UPS truck. Driving right through my workspace. Thank you very much. So let's see what we can do here in the wet, rainy, snowy parking lot. All right, this is it, folks. This is the wheel from you know where. Yeah, this is the one that has been giving me all kinds of problems. The problems, well, okay, it's cracked. The rim is cracked. The rim is all beat up. This thing took a really, really, really hard hit. And every wheel I've every wheel I've purchased, sorry about that, Mary Merritt, my English teacher from high school, 1R2Ts, they rub. Okay, see how it rubs on the strut tower. So what we're going to do is hopefully see if this is going to rub. And if so, then I got a spacer for it. I think I have a spacer. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Let's see if I can include you guys in this fun. And girls. I don't discriminate. I have lots of girls that watch too. Because I'm a hot guy. Just kidding. All right, let's see here. Oh my goodness. I think it fits. Oh, it doesn't rub. See? It's amazing what you can do with the right parts. Everything else kind of rubbed. Even the Beverly Hillbillies, it didn't rub that much. But that wheel was so ugly, it had to do something good for me. Okay, look at this. She is coming back to life. I'm so happy about this. So very happy. And I forgot to bring my power tools. Yes, sirree, Bob. And I forgot to bring the 2 extra lug nuts. Yeah. Okay, sorry about that. Here we go. Here we go. One more. We'll put it in this one. Here we go. Everything is a 17. Mercedes, BMW, all my fine. There we go. Yes, all of my fine vehicles enjoy the 17-inch lug nut. So let's just kind of get this kind of tightened up a little bit. And then we'll put it on the ground a little bit and get it more tightened up. See how I missed the camera? That's skill. Okay, let's lower it a little bit. Let's lower this a little bit. Come on. Just enough to put some weight on the tire, and then I can tighten it up. And I don't need my spacers. Okay, there's one. And you don't have to go in a star pattern when there's only 4, right? Is that how the rules go? I know I have 2 more, I just can't find them. Okay, look at that. Let's step back and admire our work. All right, you want to see our finished work? You want to see? Look at this. Look how pretty. And I think all the wheels are going to move. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. See if we can close the trunk without smashing the antenna, because that seems to be an issue with this car. Look. Okay, I do need the center caps. And why is my voice dropped like an octave? All right, so I do need the center caps. Yeah, they look good, don't they? Look how pretty. Okay, so we're going to try to move it in the parking lot, because being the parking lot mechanic expert that I am, I can tell you that if you move the car from one place to another, then people think that it's not the same car, and they'll leave you alone. Okay, I'm trying to do a little surprise for you right here while I'm talking. I made a snowman. Here you go. You want to see? Okay, you want to see how pretty? Look at this. Yeah, look at my snowman. Look at that. Oh, low battery. My battery is disappearing. Okay, look. Frosty the snowman, the stick man, with his brake fluid cap and his missing nose and his 2 arms made out of sticks. Look at that. Okay, look how nice. Okay, so we're going to move this and we're going to put it in a different part of the parking lot, and then eventually we're going to put the headlights on. And guess who just happens to have a front bumper? Guess who just happens to have a front bumper? Who has a front bumper, Mike? The same nice kid that had the headlights and the wheels. Yes, sirree, Bob. So I have to go pick those up at noon today. But we're getting different headlights because this is all jacked up, and we're getting a new bumper. Yay, Mike. Okay, as we're cruising the parking lot, let's see how Frosty's doing on top. Yeah, oh, we've had a catastrophe. He's not doing very well. Okay, but look, can you see the wheels moving? Look at this. She turns. The engine sounds good. Look who's moving in the parking lot. Look who's cruising in the parking lot. Mike is, and the Bimmer. Stop. Look at that, right in the yellow lines. Who's happy? I'm happy. Thanks for coming along on this ride. Yeah, this ride from heaven. Thank you. So, have you changed your mind? Do I need to keep it? Do I need to sell it? Do I need to just take it right to the crusher? Yeah, that's what Randy told me to do. But let's see what Mike is going to do and all the followers. Randy may change his mind because he doesn't know that it runs. I do keep some secrets from him, so he has to watch the videos just like you. Of course, I'm talking about Randy from Auto Auction Rebuilds. So, that's going to wrap it up, folks. the Bimmer is a winner. It's a winner Bimmer. Wonderful winner Bimmer. How many stupid words can I come up with? Uh-oh. And I got another like, come on. All right, have a great day, everybody. Oh, by the way, please like the videos, the thumbs up. I'm getting lots of views, but I'm getting comments from people that say, you're not getting enough likes, you're not getting enough shares, so please like, please share, and have a great day, everybody, okay? I'm happy. You should be happy, too. Bye.